everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Nintendo Switch black screen issue you've been having. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So I've had this issue many times in the past with my cell phones, and now I have it on my Nintendo Switch. No matter how many times I go ahead and press the power button on the top, it seems like it just doesn't turn on. Or if I go ahead and plug it in, it just doesn't seem like it wants to charge. So what is one possible way that you could go ahead and fix this? Well, one easy solution would be to take off the Joy-Con controllers on the side. And what we're going to do is go ahead and charge it a little bit differently. So I have my phone charger right here, just from the wall outlet. And I'm going to go ahead and plug this into my Nintendo Switch. So I'm going to plug this into the bottom right now. And then I'm going to take my charger and plug it into the wall outlet. And I'm going to go ahead and leave this plugged in for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then I'm going to come back to my Nintendo Switch. And I'm going to see if it works. So, like I said, no matter how many times it seemed like I pressed the power button at the top of my Switch, it didn't seem like it wanted to turn on. So I'm hoping with the Joy-Con controllers disconnected, I'm getting a real good charge here and nothing's interfering with that. So with this method, I'm going to show you, you're going to go ahead and press the power button and hold it down for about 15 seconds. So let's go ahead and do that. So hold it down for about 15 seconds. And then after that period lapses, go ahead and let go. Press it again. Let go, press it again. And then on the third press, go ahead and hold it down again. And your Nintendo Switch should go ahead and turn on. So I guess the key here is to make sure you have a really good charge with your Nintendo Switch. It's plugged in. Try a different outlet, try a different cable if it doesn't seem to be charging from the dock. And go ahead and leave it on overnight charging if it hasn't been working or like multiple hours. Just make sure it's getting really good charge and you're pressing the power button enough. So go ahead and try pressing and holding it down, letting go, press again, let go, and then on the third time, continue to press and hold it down. So hopefully this video did indeed help you fix your black screen on your Nintendo Switch. If it did, go ahead and leave this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more Nintendo Switch tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.